Discover the new Blink Video Doorbell, your ultimate smart security solution for peace of mind at home or away. This second-generation device boasts an impressive 2-year battery life with 3 AA Energizer lithium batteries, ensuring continuous protection without the hassle of constant recharging. The expanded field of view lets you see guests and packages from head to toe, day or night, thanks to infrared night vision and high-definition visuals. Setup is a breeze. Install wire-free or connect it to your existing doorbell wiring for home chime functionality. For added convenience, pair it with the Blink Mini 2 camera sold separately as an indoor plug-in chime when wired connections aren't feasible. With the Blink app, you'll receive alerts upon each doorbell press and access two-way audio for seamless communication. For enhanced security, opt for a Blink subscription plan sold separately to enjoy features like person detection alerts and Blink moments, which compile clips into single videos for easy saving and sharing. Connect your video doorbell to an Alexa-enabled device for voice control of your smart home system. The Blink Video Doorbell package includes the doorbell itself, 3 AA Energizer lithium batteries, a sync module core, a mounting kit, and even a corner mount, everything you need for a stress-free installation. Join the thousands of satisfied customers who've already experienced the benefits of this top-rated device with a 4.3 rating based on 7,300 reviews. Don't wait, upgrade your home security today with the Blink Video Doorbell.